A man named Adamkiewicz about 30 or 40 years ago showed that lowering blood sugar activates the inflammatory process, and doubling the blood sugar will stop allergies to almost everything. So every episode of hypoglycemia is stressing your immune system as well as activating the stress hormones that compensate by turning protein into sugar.
Do you expect that was at all related to my intense craving during those years for lots of sugar, like donuts and Jolt Cola for lunch?
That's the natural thing, like in pregnancy when a woman needs sugar, or premenstrually, same thing happens. When your blood sugar falls, you crave sugar. And if your thyroid is just temporarily depressed by stress, eating a pound of sugar over a period of 3 days will sometimes replenish the glycogen stores in all of your tissues, including the liver, where the liver uses it to activate the thyroid hormone.